Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Tutorial Podcast. I'm your host, Aria, and today's episode is all about building a healthy and balanced routine that helps you increase your energy, focus, and overall well-being. If you've ever felt like you need more structure in your day or want to improve your productivity and mood, this episode is for you. We'll go over 8 essential steps you can take to make positive changes in your life, starting from your morning routine and going all the way to improving your sleep and mental health. If you're ready to make those improvements, grab a pen and notebook or just relax and listen as we go through each step together. Let's get started. Morning routine. Let's start with your morning routine, because the way you begin your day sets the tone for everything that follows. Here are 3 powerful tips to boost your energy and focus right from the moment you wake up. Wake up even earlier. Try waking up 30 minutes earlier than usual. This extra time gives you the opportunity to start your day with intention instead of rushing through the morning. You can use this time to set goals, enjoy a quiet moment, or prepare for the day ahead. Add a morning workout. If you're not already working out in the morning, try adding a quick 10 to 15-minute exercise. A brisk walk, a few yoga stretches, or jumping jacks can wake up your body and get your blood flowing, giving you the energy you need for the day. Set a morning intention. Spend just 1 minute thinking about what you want to achieve today. Write down 1 or 2 goals or intentions. This simple practice can help you stay focused and motivated as you go through your day. Take a moment to think about your morning. Could you wake up 30 minutes earlier tomorrow? What could you add to your morning to increase your energy? A solid morning routine can help you feel less rushed and more energized throughout the day. Eating healthy. Next, let's talk about the food you put into your body. A balanced diet is essential for maintaining energy, staying focused, and feeling good overall. Here are some tips to help you improve your eating habits. Meal prep for the week. Preparing your meals in advance saves time and keeps you from reaching for unhealthy snacks. You can cook meals in bulk and store them in the fridge or freezer, so you always have healthy food ready. Add more fruits and veggies. Try to include fruits and vegetables in every meal. These foods are full of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They'll help you feel full without overeating, and they're great for your overall health. Track your meals. Use an app to track what you eat. This can help you stay on track and ensure you're eating a balanced diet. It's also a great way to see where you might need to make improvements. Think about your meals this week. Can you prep some meals ahead of time? Could you include more fruits and veggies in your meals? By making these small changes, you'll improve your energy and your health. Exercise. Increase strength and fitness. Let's move on to exercise. Regular physical activity is key to building strength, improving fitness, and boosting your overall health. Here are 3 ways you can take your exercise routine to the next level. Exercise for longer. If you currently exercise for 20 minutes, try adding just 10 more minutes. This gradual increase in the time or intensity of your workouts will help you build endurance and strength over time. Try new activities. Don't be afraid to mix things up. Try different forms of exercise, like cycling, swimming, or joining a fitness class. This not only keeps things fun, but also challenges your body in new ways, which can help you make faster progress. Set fitness goals. Setting fitness goals gives you something to strive for. You could aim to run a certain distance, lift a heavier weight, or try a new fitness challenge. These goals keep you motivated and give your workouts more purpose. What's one exercise goal you'd like to set for yourself? How can you challenge yourself in your fitness routine? Exercise doesn't just improve physical health, it also boosts your mood and energy, which is crucial for staying productive throughout the day. Mental health. Boost your mood and stress management. Mental health is just as important as physical health. Managing stress and maintaining a positive mindset are key to overall well-being. Here's how you can take care of your mental health every day. Practice mindfulness or meditation. Spend 5 to 10 minutes each day meditating or practicing mindfulness. This helps you calm your mind, reduce stress, and improve your ability to focus. Journal daily. Journaling can help you reflect on your day, express your thoughts, and even write down things you're grateful for. Writing helps clear your mind and set a positive tone for your day. Take mental health breaks. When you're feeling stressed, take a short sleep. Good sleep is essential for physical and mental recovery. Here are a few tips for getting better sleep. Create a calming bedtime routine. Start winding down 30 minutes before bed by doing relaxing activities like reading, stretching, or listening to calming music. This helps signal to your body that it's time to sleep. Set a consistent sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day, even on weekends. A consistent schedule helps regulate your body's internal clock, leading to better quality sleep. Make your bedroom sleep-friendly. Your bedroom should be cool, dark, and quiet. Consider using earplugs, an eye mask, or a white noise machine to create an environment conducive to sleep. Think about your bedtime routine. Could you create a calming ritual to prepare for sleep? By focusing on better sleep, you can wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day ahead. Set goals. Setting goals is a powerful way to stay motivated and focused. Here's how you can set meaningful goals to keep moving forward. Set both short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals could be things like exercising 3 times a week, while long-term goals might involve learning a new skill or completing a project. Both types of goals give you something to look forward to. Review your goals regularly. Take a moment each week to review your goals. Are you on track? Do you need to adjust anything? Celebrate your progress along the way. Break goals into smaller tasks. Large goals can feel overwhelming, so break them down into smaller, achievable tasks. This makes your goals feel more manageable and less intimidating. Take a moment to think about your goals. What are 1 or 2 short-term goals you could set for yourself this week? Setting and tracking goals helps you stay motivated and ensures self-care, increase relaxation and personal time. Self-care is vital for relaxation and personal happiness. Here are 3 self-care practices you can implement into your routine. Schedule regular self-care days. Set aside 1 day a week dedicated to overall health. Do something creative. Engaging in creative activities like drawing, cooking, or writing helps reduce stress and enhances your mental well-being. What creative activity would you like to try? How could you spend more time outdoors? Taking time for yourself ensures you stay recharged and ready to face life's challenges. Review and adjust. Lastly, let's talk about continuous improvement. It's important to review and adjust your routine every few weeks to make sure it's still working for you. Track your progress regularly. Every few weeks, review how things are going. Are you achieving your goals? Are you feeling more energized and focused? Make any adjustments that will help you stay on track. Add new habits. Once a habit becomes part of your routine, consider adding another. For example, after you've made exercise a daily habit, focus on improving your sleep or nutrition. Ask for feedback. Sometimes it helps to ask a friend or family member for advice. They can give you a fresh perspective on how you can improve your routine. Take a moment to think, what habits have you already formed? What's the next habit you want to work on? Continuous improvement ensures that you're always growing and improving, making your routine more effective over time. Conclusion. That's a wrap for today's episode of the English Tutorial Podcast. We've covered 8 essential steps to help you build a healthy and productive routine, from improving your morning habits and diet to setting goals and practicing self-care. I hope these tips help you make positive changes in your routine. Remember, the key is gradual improvement. Start small and build up over time, and you'll see amazing results. Thank you so much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe to English Tutorial Podcast for more tips on improving your English and your lifestyle. Until next time, take care and keep making progress.